Never question the power of consumers to ignore vehicle recalls, even if they carry warnings like do not drive or park outside, because apparently there are millions of them willing to do so. That's according to a new report from CARFAX, the massive database for vehicle history information. The company said that more than 2.5 million vehicles with urgent recalls are still unrepaired as of May 1st, 2023. It's unclear if all of these vehicles are still on the road, and it's difficult to gauge just how widespread this problem is, but CARFAX pointed out that some US states have many more potentially dangerous vehicles than others. California, Texas, and Florida each have more than 200,000 vehicles that should not be driving or parking indoors. New York, Pennsylvania, Ohio, Georgia, Illinois, North Carolina, and Arizona round out the top 10, each with more than 70,000 vehicles. Do not drive and park outside notifications are recalls issued by automakers and federal safety officials, and they're meant to prevent accidents, physical harm, and fires. According to CARFAX, these types of recalls are rarely issued. Recent do not drive and park outside recalls include warnings from Ford and BMW regarding potentially exploding airbags, and a warning from General Motors about the potential for a brake fluid leak that could result in a fire. All worth looking into if you haven't yet. Despite efforts by state and federal governments and the auto industry itself, too many consumers are driving in vehicles that have been deemed too dangerous to drive, or that shouldn't be parked in or near a home for fear of a fire, said Faisal Hassan, General Manager of Data at CARFAX. Officials and communities need to break through consumer recall notice fatigue and drive home the message. We can save lives today by getting these recalls fixed. I'm Ben Munson, and this is IAN Now.